This ledger connects you all. Lahat kayo ay may utang na kailangan bayaran. At nandito ako upang tulungan kayo na pabagsakin ng mga sindikato.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nandito, Berto. Wala akong pagkakautang kahit kanino.
Hindi mo ba maalala? Nakalista ang pangalan at hindi pa huli ang lahat para magbayad.
I've been hiding for years. And now they drag me back into this? I'm just a teacher, Berto. Why would they want me?
It doesn't matter what they want. The moment your name is in that ledger, you're in this fight. We take them down or we die trying.
The city is under our control. All we need is the final pieces of the puzzle. Time to take care of the debts.
These people think they can run. The leaders is just a tool. Hawak pa rin natin silang lahat.
Let them play the little game. It's only a matter of time before we crush them.
They think they have a chance. They already dead. They haven't realized it.
All we need is the final piece. Berto, time to end this.
Berto is the K. Take him down and they all fall.
There's no escape. We've always been ahead. When they realize it's too late, we'll be in full control.
Paano natin malalaman kung sino mapapagkatiwalaan? Isa sa atin ang nagtatrabaho sa kanila.
Hindi magtatagal. Kung meron man nagtatraidor sa atin, malalaman din natin.
So, ano na yun? We just show up and hope for the best?
They're closing in. We need to move fast. Hindi tayo aasa. Kumilos na tayo bago pa tayo nila maunahan.
Ano?
I can't do this. I'm not a fighter.
Wala ka na magagawa, kasama ka na. Keep moving. Akala mo ba, lahat na ito ay tungkol sa ledger? Hindi, Katrina! This game was always mine!
What? What are you talking about?
Hindi ako si Berto. Ako si Marco. Ako mo kontrol sa lahat, simula pa lang. At si Lisa ang aking mata.
You betrayed us. You used us all.
Betrayal! Binigyan kita ng silbi. Lahat kayo ay pinaikot ko lang sa aking palad. At hindi na kayo makakalaya kailanman.
Binilog mo lang kami. Lahat kami.
Ang dami mong sinasabi. Simulan na natin to. Toby! Toby! Toby, gising! Toby! Lisa!